Here's a simple, step-by-step guide on how to temporarily lock your PayPal account in 2026. First, log in to paypal.com and click the settings icon at the top right. Open the Security tab and turn on two-step verification. You can use your mobile number or an authenticator app. This adds a strong layer of protection before locking anything down. Next, stay in the Security tab and click Manage Your Devices. Remove any device you don't recognize. Then, scroll down and select Log Out of All Devices to stop access from anywhere else. Now go to your wallet. Select each linked card or bank account and choose Remove to temporarily disconnect them. If you have active subscriptions, go to Payments, manage automatic payments, and cancel or pause anything you don't want processed. For extra security, return to the Security tab and update your password. If available, change or remove your security questions to prevent unauthorized recovery. If you want PayPal to fully pause activity, open the Help menu and go to the Message Center. Tell PayPal you want to temporarily lock your account due to travel or suspicious activity. They may apply a restriction, so no logins or transactions can be made until you request reactivation, and that's it. That's how to temporarily lock and secure your PayPal account in 2026.